Eagle. Finally touched down to the beach. Tuesday, daytime, Team Surreal, life is so surreal. Right now we're still sipping, It's like 4 o'clock in the day. Sipping on that rum and Red Bull, you know. You know how we do, But like I said, man, stay tuned, man. It's about to go down on the beach, man. We out here, man. Life is so surreal, mate.
This game's going down. It's about to get messy in it. Tequila, endless supply of tequila right now.
Slim Brother.
Don't miss out.
So we out here, people. Life is so surreal. About to pop this here, boom.
Hey!